natural peanut butter meets rich dark chocolate in this homemade version of the popular peanut butter cup. Hershey's 50% cocoa dark chocolate chips and Kraft's Only Peanuts natural peanut butter are the main ingredients I'm working with to create my homemade version of peanut butter cups. I'm starting with my food weighing scale. After removing the lid and peeling back the foil cover, you'll notice a thick layer of oil floating on the surface of the peanut butter. Because this peanut butter has no additives, the fat separates out from the peanut butter and rises to the top. After zeroing the measuring cup weight, I'm pouring off the oil into my measuring cup so I can calculate the calorie difference by volume and weight in grams. I'll be removing the oil and working with the fat-reduced portion of the more solid peanut butter. I've poured off between 2/3 and 3/4 of a cup of oil weighing 150 grams. After pouring off the fat, the remaining peanut butter is firmer, chunkier, and more solid than the usual peanut butter with the fat stirred in. For the filling to work in this recipe, this chunkier and more solid peanut butter is exactly what we need. I'm pouring 1/4 of a cup and transferring the peanut butter to a small mixing bowl. Next, I'm adding an equal amount of superfine sugar, 1/4 cup, and one last very important ingredient, salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon. After combining the ingredients, I'll work the sugar and salt into the peanut butter with the back of a spoon. This takes a little time and effort. After a few minutes, you'll notice that the mixture remains crumbly. I'll add back a little of the peanut fat until the mixture pulls together and holds its shape. I'm starting with a 1/2 teaspoon. The mixture remains a little coarse and crumbly. I'll add the other 1/2 teaspoon. This looks better, a little smoother, more like cookie dough. Next, I'll prepare the cups. I'm lining a regular-sized muffin cup tray with 6 regular-sized paper cup liners. Then, I'm lining a jumbo-sized muffin cup tray with 6 jumbo-sized paper cup liners. The jumbo-sized cups are set aside, ready for the second step. But first, the regular-sized cups. I'm dividing the prepared peanut butter filling equally between all 6 paper cup liners. Next, I'm pressing the peanut butter filling into the base of the paper cup. This spoon is too big. The rounded measuring spoon works better. Turning the paper cup while pressing in place helps. After all 6 have been prepared, this tray goes into my freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Next, the dark chocolate chips. I'll need a little more than 1/2 cup or 95 grams. I'm pouring the chocolate chips into a microwavable glass bowl and microwaving the chips for 1 minute and 30 seconds. The chocolate chips are perfect, shiny and soft. Stirring melts the chips into a pourable liquid chocolate. Remember the jumbo-sized muffin cup tray lined with jumbo-sized paper cups? A little melted chocolate goes into the bottom of the paper cup. A small brush helps to push the melted chocolate to the edges and up the sides of the fluted paper cup. Turning the paper cup while brushing the melted chocolate ensures the chocolate coats the bottom before it cools and thickens. When all 6 jumbo paper cup liners are coated with melted chocolate, it's time to grab the chilled peanut butter fillings from the freezer. After peeling the filling from the paper cup, each one is centered over the melted chocolate. A little of the remaining chocolate is spooned over top and brushed to the edges. Each peanut butter cup is topped with warm melted chocolate one at a time because the chilled peanut filling cools and thickens the melted chocolate quickly, making brushing the chocolate to the edges more difficult. After all 6 peanut butter cups have been assembled, they can be chilled in the refrigerator or set aside until solid. When ready, simply remove the paper cup. If store-bought peanut butter cups are your favorite, you'll love these homemade peanut butter cups. Each homemade cup is so rich, enjoying only one will satisfy your cravings for a sweet treat. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.